Hello everybody, my name is Manigandan. I'm studying second BCom PA. The topic is classification of cost. Classification of cost. Uh, Cost classifier is the process of grouping, costing, accounting to their common features of characteristics. Classification of cost is necessary for the detailed recording and accurate cost assistant element function behavior. Classification of the basic element of cost. First one is direct material. Direct material are those material which enter into part of the product, the cost of which from the part of the primary cost. Direct material are also called process material or primary cost material. It includes all the material special purchase for the particular process, job or product order. X. The class of bricks, the wood in furniture, the leather in the shoe, etc. Next is indirect material. Indirect material are those material which can not be traced as a part of the product, but they are indirect material, are also known as cost material or expense material. Example: fuel, oil, etc. required for the operating and maintaining plant and machinery, small tools for general uses. Next one, third one, direct wages. Direct wages are the cost of remuneration, such wages, salaries, commissions, bonus, etc. Direct wages refer to the cost of the wages paid to operating whose help in the alternative construction composes confirmation of the condition of the product manufacturing by council. Example: wages paid in drives. It is also called as direct labor. Fourth one, indirect wages. Indirect wages represent the cost of labor employee in the work or factory which is accurate to product in short wages, which cannot be directly identified which a job process or operating or general treated as indirect wages. Example: general indirect labor such as inspector, such as utilization also to the labor. Fifth one, direct expenses. Direct expenses are those which are neither direct material cost nor direct wages, but direct identified which job process or operating. Direct expenses are also known as character expenses, primary cost expenses, productive expenses. Example: hair change of special construction mixer required for the civil engineering job, cost of special partner drawing or layout. Indirect expenses which cannot be changed to a product direct and which are neither indirect material cost nor indirect wages are regarded are indirect expenses. Example: rent, rate and tax, insurance, canteen expenses. Next, classification of the basis of function. Second types. On the basis of function of manufacturing concern, the cost of can be classified through following types. Product cost. This is the cost of sequence of operation which begins with supplying material, labor and service and end with the primary packing of product. Therefore, production represent primary cost plus absolute production overhead. Classification of basis of behaviors. With the increasing or decreasing in production, some cost which increase or decrease, direct, some cost which remains unaffected while others will change but not in direct proportions to the change in volume. Those can be grouped according to the behavior as these types is classification of cost. Thank you.